Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Violet, and in today's video I am going to deep clean my fridge. So I would like to say thank you so much to my subscribers and to all my returning subscribers. I say welcome back, and I'm glad to have you on my channel. So this one, I cleaned the fridge on the Camela. It's been long ever since I cleaned the fridge on the Camela. So I just decided to clean this one for winter, cleaning, yeah, and 2025 winter cleaning. So normally what I do when I'm cleaning my fridge, I first of all, this is a process where first of all take out everything in the fridge. We take out everything in the fridge, and if you have a container or if you have a cooler box where you can put your things so that those frozen things like for under the fridge, so that they don't get melt, you have to put them in the cooler. But for me, I didn't have any cooler, so I just put them on top of those things. I put them on top of fridge there, and I removed every container. I just started removing on top of my fridge. I remove all the containers and I wash them. And once I wash everything from here, and then I had to remove those my frozen ones. I had to put them in the upper fridge. Then once I was done with that, I decided to clean my freezer down. And when I was done cleaning the freezer, so I had to put back the things on the freezer down again. And while I'm washing this one, I had to first wash this one. Then when I done wash this one, I had to clean inside the fridge. So while this one is drying, while the containers are drying, then I'm cleaning inside the fridge. So when they're completely dry, then I have to put back and start loading the fridge. And the second thing that I do normally when I'm deep cleaning my fridge, I make sure I clean everywhere surrounding the fridge. So I make sure I clean everywhere surrounding my fridge, including the under of the fridge. Normally, I don't know, you can leave it in the comment section. What do you do when you are deep cleaning your fridge? But for me, what I do is I always clean under there the fridge, because normally we don't clean under the fridge. We can't move the fridge every time, so I have to move the fridge, and then you clean at the back of the fridge there, because sometimes you find that most of the time there are some dirty stuck under the fridge there. So whenever you are cleaning your fridge, like guys, it's very important to remove it and clean under the fridge. Make sure that when you're cleaning your fridge, everything is sparkling clean. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I post a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and guys, please don't go away. Make sure you watch this video until the end to see how much I do thoroughly clean my fridge, and each and every step that I'm going to take in cleaning my fridge. So stay tuned, don't click the bell, don't click away, stay with me, let's clean together. Thank you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just while. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to